Hello guys, and welcome back to the Masters Gaming stuff. Yeah, can't you see my outfit is clothes and look at my clothes, I still got legs. Yeah. If you can see on my t-shirt, it looks so cool. So look, there's a noob inside my new body, and then look, it's so cool. So yeah, I'm going to tell what we're doing. We are going to be doing a series, probably a series, because it's not like we're going to make it today, a dark matter. Guys, I know I haven't got much money more, but I got a good idea. I'm going to make a normal dark matter with an ordinary common egg. This egg. I'm just gonna get other phones on time. No, I don't care if I waste my money because I'm probably never gonna come here again. How many do I have now? I have so many. I got no stocks because I'm gonna try to get more dogs. Delete. Yes, I want to delete this guy. And I want to delete this kit. Oh yeah, I forgot. You saw the Game Pass I got. Open free. Yes, I got 2 dogs. Dogs are the basic ones, but I'm getting. They're like the second best. One. See? And I'm getting got 2 cats. Okay, so I got 2 cats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come on, we only need 4 more. If you say I'm wasting my money, I don't think I am, because they're coming down here. Only the Moon or the Wonderland I probably am. I might come down here to get a pet one time, but they're not actually up. Like, it's so expensive. Like, Deluxe egg, and it's just like barely gives you anything. And the levels, how to explain? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wait, because I got 4 and 4, 8. 2 more, guys. Pray. And there'll be 2 dogs in here. Guys, don't pray. Sad. What's these on level 1 and then these on level 7? And then it's just as I can miss this. Probably not, but guys, just remember it's still dark fantasy. Even if we do make like a dog dark matter, still gonna carry on to actually make it proper. I'm just doing this for fun. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think I have enough, guys. I'm gonna see how it looks like. Oh, it's only on level 3. That means it's only gonna be on, like, literally level 10. I'm just gonna keep opening 3. I'm gonna just waste my money until my backpacks. Guys, when I have that max, so I'm gonna pop this up. I decided Guys, this is a secret portal I'm going to take you to the moon. I don't think so. We know what it's going to take us to. Yeah, into Wonderland. I need to trade. Don't you just get rid of your worst pets? How do we have those? Those are so rare. No, I'm not trading nothing. Guys, so press button. No. Yes, because you're just trying to trick me. Guys, we're gonna do the Wonderland thing. I know I said I didn't want to, but I'm sorry guys, I had to. Come on, guys, when I get this money, I'm gonna pause it just for now. Then pause it and then you can see how much money I got. So, guys, we are back and look how much money we got. Oh. And guys, when I just went to that egg, I got a gingerbread, and it's better than this hybrid. Not that hybrid. This one. See, look. That's a big one. And I can hopefully open for you. What? Oh, I don't have enough space. Delete. Just need to delete. Guys, if I get the penguin, that would be amazing. Cross fingers, everyone. Okay. Guys, cross fingers. You've got it. What? Oh my god, I need more. Seriously? That's a plan. Cross fingers, guys. Can I open another? I probably can. Yeah, I don't have enough. I knew it. Oh my god, guys. Because this is on 1,022,000. Yeah. Put this back. Take this one out. Yes, guys, look. Now I just need to clear my inventory. This golden dog might have what? That can't be puzzle. Oh my god, this is on like level 6 and this is on level. Where is this? Oh my god, it's not even there. One more, guys. Oh my god, seriously? Serious? You gotta be serious. Serious. Yes. I have to go all the way over here. I have to delete you, Golden. What? This is 100 and... What is this again? These ones. But yeah. Oh, these ones suck. But guys, we might have to end the video here. And guys, I'm sorry if I might do some more things, but yeah. Wait, just checking something. Because guys, we might have to end the video here. So I guess this is a good big bye. And I will see you in the next series video. Then you pause it, but I guess this is a big bye. So bye.